The savory food items that we will be trying today are lard with onion, smalec z cebulą, ser kremowy śmietankowy, which is a cream cheese, a pate, which is PASZTET, PALUSZKI, which are comparable to pretzels. We're going to wash all of this down with Kubus, a carrot drink. Welcome back to my channel, Rio. Witam ponownie na moim kanale. Today, I'm having Rio try 4 savory foods and 1 sweet drink from Poland. Now, there is one disclaimer about a certain product, but we'll get to it when we get to it. I'm gonna have Rio try these food items that have been laid out on her plate. So she's gonna try each one with a blindfold on at first. And then after she gives you an honest reaction, you know, via her facial expression, at least part of the one that you can see, then she'll take it off and then I'll tell her what it is. Are you ready, Rio?
Yes.
Gotowa?
Yes, gotowa.
Tak. You say tak.
Tak.
Okay, that means yes. All right, go ahead. Just reach out and grab.
I don't know what's in front of me. I'm afraid.
Mmm.
Wait, it smells kind of chickeny. Smells like fried chicken. It tastes like chicken that was put in a blender and put on bread. But it's salty and very fatty.
Mm. You want to take off your blindfold?
Okay. Look over here.
So, this is lard with fried onions. It's a przysmak. I don't know what that really means. It's just like a savory thing that people like to eat. Are you disturbed by what you see?
I would have never put this in my mouth. I've not been wearing a blindfold. Never. I'm going to put it right here and now I can see everything else.
I love it. And keep your mouth. Okay, well, you don't know which one. I'm going to spin the table.
Okay.
I mean, spin the
That's
plate.
fair.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to finish that, but I'll admit it tasted like, well, now that I think about it, it tasted exactly like what it was.
There you go. Take 2 of these. Yes, it's just right there. Now put them in your mouth.
Okay. A pretzel.
Mm-hmm.
A fancy Polish pretzel. Okay.
Okay, take off your mask.
Polish people like pretzels?
Okay, yeah. So these are known as paluszki, which literally means little fingers, because they're like little fingers, right?
It's
Kind
a
of,
pretzel
not really.
stick.
Yeah, it's a pretzel stick, but they're known as paluszki. And this is an actual product of Poland. What's great about these is they're very addictive.
Okay.
Nice and salty. They make
It's a
some
pretzel.
without any salt, which can be very boring. They also make some with poppy seeds on the sides.
See, that's different. That's
different.
That's extra Polish.
Mm.
Okay. I'm going to smell it. It smells like tuna.
It does.
It
You're right.
smells like cat food in a can.
Oh my god.
It's what it smells
You're
like.
offending me. Okay, now stop. Start eating.
I got it on my nose. Is your cat looking this way?
No.
Tastes like tuna from a can.
That's it?
And I taste a little bit of a lard. Is the lard in there?
No.
Did you mix the fish
I
with
mean-
the lard?
I was using the same knife, so maybe. Alright, take off your mask. So this was a paste. PASZTET.
I'm gonna need some more water, friend.
That was actually made of pork liver, not goose liver. I was a
Oh.
liar. All right, ready?
Okay. New things are fun.
Yeah. This is the second to last item. Go ahead, reach out.
Okay. Smells kind of like cream cheese or cheese. A little bit more what like Americans eat, I think. Tastes like cheese, like spread the cheese on the bread.
Mm-hmm. All right, take
Tastes
off
like
your
cheese
mask.
on bread.
So this is serek śmietankowy.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a cream cheese, but it's like the Polish version.
Mm-hmm.
Now, technically, I have to be very transparent. This is made by the company called Hochland, which is actually originally from Bavaria. Or Bavaria, I don't know. But it is such a common product in Poland that, I mean, the reason why I bought it from a Polish store is because I always remember seeing it in Polish stores when I go to Poland. And my family buys it. Like, I know this to me is a Polish cheese. I don't care that it's not technically from Poland. It's widely sold in Polish stores. And it's becoming more common in the U.S.
Okay.
So if you see Hochland, you'll know where that's really coming from.
So, yeah, I could definitely see this becoming, like, more popular here. I know, like, my grandma and other grandmas of the world enjoy the livers of animals turned into paste.
Mhm.
That's just a common thing grandmas like. I don't know if people are going to get on board with the lard on the bread, though. But, like, people are like, you know, we seem to like very fattening things in America.
People
so
like to
maybe.
make this like themselves, the lard with the onions. And when it's done yourself, it's really good. This is called Kubus.
Mhm.
And Kubus is a Polish product. It is, now it comes in many different flavors, but the original flavor that it had, or it has, is carrot.
It has a
So it's
bear on
carrot
it.
juice, and it's pretty thick in its texture. So it's like a thick nectar.
Is
kind
it,
of.
like, marketed to children? Is that what there's
That's
a bear
correct. All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
I guess I should try this too.
The smell test is...
Ironically, this is my least favorite one.
It's very, it smells very sweet. It does taste carroty. But it's also sweet. It's kind of like tomato-y too.
Yeah.
I bet there's some tomato in there.
Do you feel like it's very thick? It's definitely not watery, right?
No, I mean it is thick. It's like tomato soup that you're drinking cold out of the bottle with a bear on it.
Yes, but it's sweet and it's made of carrots.
I mean, I like it better than the lard.
I hate this. I can't stand it.
What do you like better, that or the lard?
The lard.
Oh, you
10
get-
times over. Now I'm going to have you rate these items 1 to 5. 1 being what you most liked and 5 being what you least liked.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, so number 1 is the pretzel. Or the PALUSZKI.
PALUSZKI, or
PALUSZKI.
paluszek if you want to say singular.
Ah. This PALUSZKI.
Yeah.
And then number 2 is going to be the cheesy spread.
Serek topiony.
Okay. Yeah, and then the carrot drink is going to be
Kubus.
number 3.
Mm-hmm.
And then the goose liver. No,
The pasztet.
the pig liver.
Yes.
The pig liver paste on bread.
PASZTET, yeah.
It's going to be number 4. And then I'm going to have to put the lard last.
So all of these items I purchased at a Polish store known as Kraków Deli. It is in the Cleveland region, so if you live in the Cleveland region, you can go there and check it out.
Where's it?
You can find all of these items at other Polish local grocery stores or even European stores. You will probably find them there as well. Do you have any final thoughts?
This was fun. I'd do
Good.
it again. For
Excellent.
Sure.
Well, in my next video, I'm going to be trying sweets with my friend Amber, our friend Amber, who does have a YouTube channel. So you can look forward to that and tune in. And thank you again for subscribing. Really appreciate that. Very exciting for me.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, like and subscribe. Do widzenia.
Do widzenia.